Hello guys, welcome to another video of my PHP tutorial series, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use constants inside a class. Okay, so first of all, let's start Apache server and MySQL, and let's open Notepad. So this is the code from the last video, and I'm going to delete this and this. Just leave your class, my class. Okay. You can change this class name to, let's say, constants. So inside constants, inside constants, to create a constant we type const, okay, and you see that it turned blue, so it's now recognized as constant by PHP. I'm going to type red equal, and now I'm going to give this the value, okay. And you remember from HTML, I think HTML tutorials, that I showed you how to type the Xcode of a color. So the hexadecimal code is for red is FF 0000. Okay. So basically what I'm doing here is to create a constant red, okay, called red, and that constant will hold a value, this value here, okay, which is in this case code for the red color, okay. But you can type, for example, also, let's say, constant and whatever you want to do to type. Okay, so let's type hello equals hello. Okay, so let's save this. So you see that basically these work similar to variables. Okay, so these are variables and they are case sensitive. So if you want to call this constant, you have to type red in capital letters, okay, or capital letter for the first letter here, H, and the rest with normal font. Okay, so now to call these constants, we have we can create a function in here, and this function, let's say, let's call it output, and in here I can type echo. And now to call a constant, it's pretty much, you remember from the last video how we called static variables or functions. So this constant variables works pretty much the same way. So we have to use the self, okay. So instead of typing this equals the red variable, we have to type echo self colon red. Okay, and now down here we created object, okay, which is going to be, let's say, C equals to new constants. It's my column, and now C, and let's type output. Okay, now let's see if this works and what's the output in the web browser. So let's open here, Chrome. Okay, let's go here, localhost test.php. So we have a syntax error, unexpected function. Okay, in line 8. So line 8. Okay, I forgot here to put the semicolon. Okay, so let's save this. And let's go back, refresh, and there it is. Okay, this is the hexadecimal code. That we have here. Okay, so this constant is working. So, and the function is working as well. Okay, so let's try now, instead of the constant red, the constant hello, but that should output hello. Let's save this. Let's go here, refresh, and there it is. Hello. Okay. Okay. Now, another thing that I have to tell you is that we can output either this function or this constant without creating an object. Okay, and to do this, basically we type, let's say, echo, and now the name of the class, which is constants colon, and now let's type hello, for example. Okay, and if we refresh, there it is, it works. Okay, if I change this to red, refresh, there it is. Now let's try to call also the function itself, which is called output. Okay, so let's refresh, and non-static method, okay, blah blah blah. Okay, the thing is that without creating an object, we can call and echo out, sorry, okay, we can echo out directly the constant. Okay, for example, echo the constant red, as we did before. So in this case it should work. No, it doesn't. Why not? Oh, okay, so sorry, let's refresh. Okay, it works. If we call directly a constant from the class, it works this way without even creating an object. But if we want to echo, to call the function, okay, to call the function, we need to create the object first. Okay, guys? So if we type here, let's say, let's create the object again. So C equals to new, and constants, and in here type C, refer to output, call the output. Okay, so now this this function will output the hello variable. Okay, let's refresh, and there it is. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it. That's how we can create constants, okay, and call them directly without even creating an object, okay, outside our class. Or if you want to, you can create a function that calls each different constant, okay, and we use the self in here, okay, to call and echo whatever constant you want. Okay, and then if you want to call the function, you have to create an object, okay, of this class, and then you can call the object by his name. Okay, guys, so this is all for now, and in the next video I'm gonna show you how to use constructors and destructors. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Bye.